Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. In this video, today I am showing how to set up Windows 10 start to finish. Let's start. First of all, we are going Hyper-V Manager for connect a server in local computer. Then OK. Now we can create a machine, virtual machine for Windows setup. First, before beginning next. Now you can name whatever you want, your virtual machine name, and restore your virtual machine located your drive. I locate F drive. Then create a folder, choose name VM virtual machine, select folder. Then next, that's generation 1 and generation 2. Generation 1 is BIOS based operating system, and generation 2 EFI based firmware system. So I can select generation 2. Now we can assign memory, that means RAM. 3 GB is enough for this. Use dynamic memory for this drive. Network connection maybe later. Then we can select hard drive. Then 35 GB is enough for this. Then next, then we can choose an ISO file for Windows 10. Then next, now your machine is ready to set up. Then finish. Then connect. Press any key from CD or DVD. This problem is showing. Then you can choose just reset your personal Hyper-V. Then connect, reconnect and start. Now press any key. Then start your Windows setup. Now you can choose the language and currency format and keyboard. Then click install now. Setup is starting. This time we choose our Windows 10 Pro version 64-bit. Then agreement license. Then custom install. Then choose your hard drive. Then new. Then apply. Then OK. Now your primary drive, choose to your setup Windows. Then next, your Windows file is copy, getting file ready to install, and installing feature. Installing update. Now Windows need to restart to continue. Then restart now. Hyper-V reloading. Yeah, still loading. Installing service is getting ready. Yeah, setting window are coming. Maybe take time to resetting all the service. Just a moment. Need for Windows. All settings, resolution, and your device mapping are ready. Now let's start with region. Is this right? United States. This time I keep United States. Yes. And keyboard layout US. Yes. Add second layout. No, skip. And this time we don't choose network, so I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Then you finally your PC name, this my site IP service. Then next password maybe later setting, just a moment. Then accept all privacy setting recommended from Microsoft. So I go for it. Accept. Then I accept also Cortana. Just a moment. Microsoft say hi. We are getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. One thing, you can subscribe IP service for more technical tips. This type of tips you need another troubleshooting or another video, just comment us. Your Windows 10 PC is almost ready. Just we can choose desktop icon setting. Just okay. Your PC Windows 10 setup is perfectly ready. Hope your problem is solution correctly. Yeah, just easy and simple way. Thank you for watching IP service. Keep watching full video for more tips.